Hey, what's happening? I'm Joe Pierce, welcome to my shop. So, gonna make a pen. Oh, got another pen video. So PSI Woodworking, Penn State Industries Woodworking, they've got a new pen kit that just came out. It's called the DuraClick Everyday Carry DuraClick pen. And what's nice about it is that instead of being kind of cheap metal that's then plated with gold or silver or whatever, it's actually machined from solid metal. It comes in brass, aluminum, and stainless. I have the stainless one right here. I'm going to be making the brass one today. The reason I'm going to be doing brass is because my dad has a metal lathe and it can turn brass. So rather than the way you normally make a pen is it comes with the brass tube and you drill out your blank and you glue your blank on there and then you turn it and then it presses into the brass tube. I'm going to take this out of the equation and I'm going to make the solid brass, the whole thing out of brass. It's going to be super cool. So let's go over to my dad's house and learn how to use a metal lathe. I've never used one, so let's try it out. Alright, so I had a little bit of a mishap when I was pressing that together. I forgot to put the clip in there. So, to fix that I had to pull it back apart. It was a really tight press fit, so while pulling it apart I screwed the knurling all up. So, to fix that, since it's solid brass, I just took the knurling off and made it smooth. So now, you got knurling down here where you grab it, and right. So now I have a solid brass pen. This is a really nice pen. It's new from Penn State. They're not sponsoring me, I paid for it. But it's completely machined out of brass. It comes in brass, aluminum, and stainless. I have a stainless one as well. I can't do stainless on that little mini lathe, so I'll just do wood on that one. But anyway, instead of using the brass tube and wood, I just took the bar of brass and machined it solid, so it's really heavy. Another nice thing about this kit is that the click mechanism is completely made of metal. So this is going to be a really strong pen, and it's solid. So I'm super happy with it. I'm going to make more of these. If you want one, I'm going to do a pre-order thing on my website. They're too expensive for me to just make a bunch of them at one time. But yeah, so solid brass, stainless clip, stainless click mechanism. Check out my website. You'll see some more. Super excited. This one's mine, so you can't have this one. If you want one, let me know. I'll make you one. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great day.